Hey there, fellow food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a journey into the realm of cool and refreshing summer drinks with a twist, the Italian Mint Watermelon Slushie. But wait, there's more to this icy treat than meets the eye. Join us as we uncover some fascinating unknown facts about this invigorating concoction. Crafting the perfect Italian Mint Watermelon Slushie. Host. Before we dive into the intriguing facts, let's first get our hands on the ingredients needed to whip up this sensational Italian mint watermelon slushie. Fresh watermelon, fresh mint leaves, lime juice, sugar, or any sweetener of your choice, ice cubes. Unknown facts about Italian mint watermelon slushie. With our slushie ready, let's explore some lesser-known facts about this enticing Italian mint watermelon slushie that will leave you amazed. Did you know that the pairing of watermelon and mint dates back to ancient Rome? Romans used to enjoy a similar concoction, often mixing watermelon with aromatic herbs for a refreshing treat during scorching summers. Watermelon, with its high water content, is incredibly hydrating. Adding mint not only elevates the flavor but also brings its digestive and soothing properties. This slushie isn't just delicious, it's a revitalizing elixir. In certain cultures, watermelon holds symbolism beyond its culinary appeal. It's considered a token of hospitality and shared among friends and family to signify unity and joy. Nutritional powerhouse. Apart from its heavenly taste, Italian mint watermelon slushie is a nutritional powerhouse. Watermelon is rich in vitamins A and C, while mint offers antioxidants and digestive benefits. It's a guilt-free indulgence. Uncovering more enigmatic facts about Italian mint watermelon slushie. Hang on tight, because there's more to the Italian mint watermelon slushie than meets the eye. Let's unravel some additional fascinating and lesser-known facts about this icy delight. Traditional Mediterranean refresher. The combination of watermelon and mint is deeply embedded in Mediterranean culinary traditions. In many Mediterranean countries, this duo is cherished for its ability to provide instant relief from the sweltering heat, making it a go-to choice during scorching summers. Mint, a fragrant and invigorating herb, has a rich history in Mediterranean cuisine and culture. It's been used for centuries to soothe digestive discomfort and alleviate headaches, making it the perfect companion to the hydrating watermelon. The Italian mint watermelon slushie's versatility doesn't end at beverages. Its captivating flavors and textures make it an excellent base for cocktails, mocktails, and even desserts like granitas and sorbets. Apart from its delightful taste, the striking combination of bright red watermelon and vibrant green mint creates an irresistible visual spectacle. It's not just a drink, it's a feast for the eyes. Much like the myriad variations of basil limeade, the Italian mint watermelon slushie has inspired innovative twists. Some add a hint of citrus with oranges or lemons, while others incorporate spices like ginger for an unexpected kick. In certain cultures, watermelon holds symbolism beyond its culinary appeal. It's associated with celebrations and festivities, often enjoyed during communal gatherings to spread joy and unity. As health-conscious lifestyles gain popularity, the Italian mint watermelon slushie shines even brighter. Its natural sweetness and hydrating properties make it a preferred choice for those seeking wholesome refreshment. Many families have cherished recipes for their version of Italian mint watermelon slushie, passed down through generations. It's a testament to how this timeless combination brings people together over shared memories and flavors. Beyond Italy, this slushie's allure has inspired variations in different corners of the world. From Middle Eastern mint-infused coolers to Latin American agua frescas, the magic of watermelon and mint knows no bounds. In various cultures, enjoying a glass of Italian mint watermelon slushie during summer has become a cherished ritual. It's a way to beat the heat while indulging in the simple pleasures of life. With each sip of the Italian Mint Watermelon Slushie, you're not just experiencing a refreshingly cool blend of flavors. You're also immersing yourself in a world of history, culture, and innovation. So the next time you treat yourself to this icy wonder, remember the hidden tales that make it truly extraordinary. If you're as captivated as we are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting gastronomic discoveries. Until next time, keep exploring and savoring the world of culinary delights.